In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and draw shapes within a Microsoft Word document, a useful skill to add visual elements to your texts, making your documents more engaging and informative. It's a straightforward process, but having some detailed guidance can make it even easier to execute smoothly. First, ensure you have your Word document ready and open on your computer screen. This will be our starting canvas where you'll be placing the shapes. Next, direct your attention to the top of your screen where the ribbon is located. This area contains several tabs, each offering different functions. Click on the Insert tab. This tab is packed with options for adding various elements to your document, from pictures and tables to our focus today, shapes. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, look for the Illustrations group. Within this cluster, you'll find the Shapes option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu offers a variety of shape categories: lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts, and stars and banners. Each category provides a different selection of shapes to suit various needs, whether you're creating a detailed flowchart or just adding a simple arrow for emphasis. To proceed, decide which shape will best suit your purpose. Click on your chosen shape from the drop-down list. You'll notice that the cursor now changes to a plus sign, indicating that you're ready to place the shape anywhere in your document. Move your cursor to the area of the document where you wish to insert the shape. This is where you have the freedom to decide the placement, which should align with the layout and purpose of your document. Now, click and hold the mouse button, then drag the cursor across the screen. This action will allow you to draw the shape. You can monitor its size as you drag, adjusting it until it reaches your desired dimensions. As you release the mouse button, the shape will be inserted into your document. At this point, you might want to make some final adjustments, such as resizing or repositioning, which you can do by clicking and dragging the borders of the shape. Lastly, take a moment to review the shape's position and appearance to ensure it integrates seamlessly into your document's design. Adding shapes effectively can aid in communicating ideas visually and can be a powerful addition to your professional and personal documents alike. That's it. By following these steps, you now know how to insert and draw shapes in your Word document effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy shape drawing!